Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some YouTube channel today with my baby eyes. And I have a friend here join to my channel. Her name is Tiana. So we're gonna show you our new video today is selling squishy. Guys, I'm gonna buy some squishy. Look, over there, there's some squeeze selling a squishy. Wow! Baby Alice, do you want some squishy? Yes, mommy. Let's go. Miss, can I buy some squishy? Yes. Let me choose, guys. Look at all of them. Let me pick unicorn, owls, Isaac, bread, or special one. Wow, there is the special one. All of them is special.
Wow!
Wow. What you gonna pick, baby? Maybe I'm gonna pick the surprise egg. Wow! I wonder what inside. Excuse me, miss. What is your name, miss? My name is Shallow. Can I be your friend, miss? Of course, yeah, sure. So, how much is this? This is only $5. Oh, it's not expensive, guys. Here you go. Thank you. So, guys, the miss is here. Just joking, Shadow is here. So now we are going to open